Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your ClickUp account. Whether you're returning to manage your projects or checking in on your team's progress, accessing your account is the essential first step to staying organized and productive. First, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. This will bring you to the ClickUp homepage where you'll see various options for getting started. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the navigation menu. You should see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all your saved workspaces, tasks, and team collaborations. After clicking Login, you'll be directed to the Login page where ClickUp gives you a couple of convenient options to access your account. You can either continue with your Google account for a quick seamless login, or you can manually enter your work email and password if you prefer the traditional route. Both methods are secure and will get you into your account, so it really comes down to personal preference and how you set up your ClickUp initially. For this tutorial, we're going to continue with the Google account option. This method is particularly useful if you want to save time and avoid typing in credentials every time you log in. Simply click on the Continue with Google button. This will initiate the authentication process through your Google account. Once you click it, a new window will pop up. This is Google's authentication interface, where you'll see a list of Google accounts that are currently signed in on your browser. All you need to do is click on the Google account that's associated with your ClickUp. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple Google accounts logged in for personal and work purposes. After selecting your account, the system will automatically handle the rest. You'll be redirected back to ClickUp and the platform will log you in without requiring any additional steps. Within moments, you'll find yourself on your ClickUp dashboard with full access to all your projects, tasks, and team spaces. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your ClickUp account using your Google credentials, making the process quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.